So the Debt Management Office just released the federal government savings bond subscription for the month of October, and here's everything you need to know before you go ahead investing in the October subscription for the FGN Savings Bond. So the offer just got open on the 6th of October and will stay open till the 10th of October. So till Friday, this offer will be open for you to go ahead investing. If you don't invest before Friday, the offer will be closed and you have to wait till October subscription before you invest in the FGN Savings Bond. So one thing I noticed about this month's FGN Savings Bond subscription is that the interest rate is a bit low. So you can see for the 2 years tenor, you can see that it's slightly above 14%, whereas the 3 years tenor is slightly above 15%. Prior to this time, we have been seeing higher percentage. When I started investing in FGN Savings Bond, you could see 18% per annum. You can also see 17% per annum, but currently it's now 15% and 14% per annum for the 2 and 3 years tenor. What this means is that the interest rate is dropping, and the interest rate is dropping because inflation is also dropping. You can see the inflation for the month of August was 20.12%, and you can see that for the month of July it was about 21%. So inflation is currently dropping. Most likely when they release the inflation for September, you see that it dropped probably to like 19% or so. So inflation is currently dropping, and also dollar is appreciating in price. You check the markets now, dollar is about 1,400 naira thereabout. So that's the reason why most times most of these investments are having lower interest rates. Even the Stanbic IBTC money market mutual fund is currently having lower interest rates. The thing about all these investments is that they are tied down to inflation. If inflation is reducing, all of them will start reducing. If inflation is high, most investment interest rates will also be high. So how do you get started investing in the FGN Savings Bond for the month of October? It is pretty much easy. If you've created yourself a brokerage account like AfroInvestor 2.0, all you have to do is that you go to the comment section of this video where I'll pin a link that you can use to subscribe for the FGN Savings Bond. Let's say you want to invest 100,000 naira. You have to send 100,000 naira to your dashboard on AfroInvestor 2.0. After sending the 100,000 naira, you have to take a screenshot of that money you've sent. The next thing is to click the link in the comment section of this video where you will have to fill a form where they will ask you for your name, your address, your account number, your CHN number, your CSCS number. All those things will be provided by you, and you then upload the screenshotted image of your dashboard having the money you want to invest in it. If you haven't done all that, you will now be able to invest in the FGN Savings Bond for the month of October. Now you need to do this before the 10th of October because settlement date is on the 15th of October. So when you are done with all this, the CSCS will do their work and you get settled before 15th of October thereabout, and you see it on your dashboard. And that's how you to go about investing in the FGN Savings Bond. If you don't have a brokerage account, you can get started by creating a brokerage account today, and your brokerage account will be approved, let's say before Thursday. Once it has been approved, do well to make your investment in the FGN Savings Bond quickly, because they'll provide you with your CSS number and also your CHN numbers, which you can use to make investment in the FGN Savings Bond. Do well to do this before 10 o'clock on Friday, because most times it closes before 12 noon on Friday. So do well to do it before 10 a.m. on Friday to invest in the FGN Savings Bond. Yeah, I've done lots of videos on how to go about investing in the FGN Savings Bond. I've done lots of videos comparing the FGN Savings Bond with other investments. You can check it out on this channel, because here on Wax Splice we talk about how to go about investing and lots of things you need to know about the investment world. How do you get paid? Since we said the payment is slightly above 15% per annum and also slightly above 14% per annum for the 2 years tenor, that's 14%, and the 3 years tenor, that's 15%. Your payment comes 4 times in a year. Your payment comes in January, comes in April, comes in July, and it comes in October. So if you're investing now, the first payment you are receiving will come on January, about 15th of January, that's next year. That's when your first payment will be coming. If you have invested 100,000 naira, that's 15% will be splitted into 4 parts, and they are going to pay the first part in January. The next part will be paid to you in April, while the other part, the third part, will be paid to you in July. Then the last part will be paid to you in October. That's the last part for the year. Every year you'll be getting those payments like this, like it will be splitted into 4 parts, and you'll be getting paid every quarter of the year. So if you invested for 2 years, you get paid for 2 years. If you invested for 3 years, you get paid for 3 years. So the FGN Savings Bond is a low risk investment that you should get started with, because you are rest assured that you are not losing your money. You are borrowing your money to the federal government of Nigeria, extra, and they are going to give you interest in return. If you have any questions as regards subscribing to the FGN Savings Bond for the month of October, do also drop it in the comment section, and I'll look forward to answering all your questions. If you want more videos like this, do also subscribe to this channel as we keep bringing you ways to go about making some cash online. Till our next one, peace.